Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. A smartwatch that's not just about premium design, but also incredible customization. Here are the best free watch faces available for this amazing device. Whether you're after style, functionality, or just something fun, we've got you covered. One of the coolest features of the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is that you can totally personalize it to match your personality. With thousands of watch faces on the Galaxy Store, there's no shortage of options. But what if you don't want to spend a dime? Don't worry, here are some of the best free watch faces you can download right now. For the fitness enthusiasts out there, this watch face is a must-have. It gives you detailed, real-time stats like your heart rate, steps, calories burned, and even tracks your activity progress, all in one glance. Plus, the clean design ensures it looks elegant, not cluttered. This one's perfect for the minimalist in you. With a simple yet modern design, it shows the essentials: time, date, and battery level. It looks especially stunning on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic's vibrant AMOLED display. Want something more fun? Check out Pixel Time. This retro-inspired watch face features a pixel art style time display and colorful animations. It's quirky, attention-grabbing, and perfect for anyone who loves a little nostalgia on their wrist. For the tech-savvy types, we recommend the Info Active Watch Face. It offers a high-tech look with customizable widget slots for weather, steps, notifications, and more. You'll never miss out on what's important. These are just a few examples of the incredible free watch faces you can try out. Whether you're into fitness tracking, clean and simple designs, or bold and fun styles, there's something for everyone. And remember, they're all completely free to download from the Galaxy Store. So there you have it, our top picks for the best free watch faces on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if there are others we should check out. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.